Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Steam not opening. Let's get started. First, make sure Steam is fully closed. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager, then look for Steam. If you see it running, click it and select End Task. Then try opening Steam again. If it still doesn't open, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This can fix permission issues that prevent Steam from launching. If Steam opens but games don't launch, go to your library, right-click the game and select Properties and go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Make sure your Windows system is up to date. Also update your graphics and card drivers since outdated drivers can cause Steam issues. Finally, restart your PC and click the button, then select the power icon and choose Restart. After restarting, try opening Steam again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.